Coming up this week on Global Footprints, we'll have you sitting pretty. We visit Brothers Dressler and get a behind-the-scenes look at how they're rethinking definitions of waste and value. It's all about sensory impact at De Boers. Find out how to shop for great green finds on eBay. And greening your website. Hi, I'm Candice Batista. Thanks for joining us this week on Global Footprints. For some of us, furniture is an obsession. For others, it's hardly noticeable at all. One way or the other, making environmentally savvy choices when furnishing your home is easier than you may think, and it makes a big impact on the planet. The sustainability movement has brought with it innovative designers who are looking to redefine their definitions of waste and value. Brothers Dressler has some big ideas, and when I say big, I mean big when it comes to furniture and design.
We kind of consider ourselves material manipulators. We're designers of furniture and builders of furniture.
Working together for the last 7 years, Brothers Dressler produces everything from custom furniture to speculative design. They also use responsible materials and keep it green by repurposing found objects and incorporating them into their designs. What they're hoping is that every aspect of design will be taken into consideration, from its manufacturing to its use, and finally, its disposal. Think renew, revive, restore.
I restore chairs. I also partake in custom woven work. I also get people who see things on the street that are headed for the landfill.
We'll show you how to use eBay to keep it green and reduce your carbon footprint.
So the eBay Canada Green Team is essentially a bunch of internal employees who are a frontline activists for a new ethic, which is essentially saying the greenest products are the ones that already exist. By choosing to reuse items and repurpose them, you save on the energy that is required to build things new.